Hi guys, welcome to this session. In this session, we're going to see how we can use the placement section and the brand safety and suitability feature in the Facebook ads campaign. So as we saw in the previous video, we looked at how we can do detailed targeting. So now if you move forward, we'll come to the placement section over here where you can do different types of placement targeting. So in this case, there are multiple options which you get over here, as you can see. So right now, what is going to happen is you will be able to go ahead and see the placements. So in this case, we are using the advantage placements, which is basically showing ads on multiple different placements on an audience network where the ads are going to appear. Okay. So in this, now you also have the brand safety and suitability option, wherein you can manage your brand safety by going to different sections of this, particularly, which Facebook will give you. So for example, the inventory filter which you have out here, which allows you to choose the type of inventory to which you would like to show your ads to. So there are three options which you get, which is expanded, moderate, and limited. So moderate inventory is going to be where it is going to show your ads to different types of placement, which is going to be not so aggressive content, but a reasonably a decent content, relevant content, excluding any kind of moderately sensitive content over there. And we are going to target those particular placements. Expanded inventory is going to show our ads on all types of content, which will adhere to the content monetization policies, but it will be very aggressively shown to a variety of content available on the Facebook network. And then you have limited inventory, wherein we are going to be very sensitive towards the kind of content or the ads are targeted on, and it will be shown to very limited pages like that. And this lowers the search and can increase our cost as well. So depending on what type of an inventory you want to choose, you can choose from here. Usually Facebook chooses the moderate inventory, which we can apply over here, which is going to be the audience network websites, which we are going to show the ads to. So this will be one of the options of inventory filter, which we can do. Apart from that, you can also go ahead and look at the audience network, which we have out here, wherein in the audience network section as well, you can go ahead and choose the inventory in the same manner. So you will have options for moderate inventory, expanded inventory, and limited inventory out here. So depending on the same situation, you can go ahead and select the inventory. So expanded will be all types of content, websites or inventories where aggressively the ads can be targeted. Moderate will be where it will maintain a balance between what kind of content it's being shown to. It will exclude your ads from showing on sensitive content. And limited will be very strict on figuring out what content will be best suitable, and it will exclude all moderate and sensitive content from there. So this can impact your reach as well and can increase our cost. So now we can choose from these networks provided. Apart from this, you can also create a block list. A block list is basically going to be a list of placements where you would not like to show your ads. Okay, so there can be a lot of content on the audience network of Facebook which might not be relevant for us. So it's a good idea that we should not show our ads on them specifically, so that we don't get irrelevant traffic to our website. This can help in multiple ways, wherein we are improving the quality of traffic coming to our website. We are also making sure our ads are directed to much more relevant traffic that way, which increases the chances of getting high quality traffic to our website and generating sales and leads. Another benefit of this is going to be that it is going to control our cost. We are not going to spend our money on irrelevant traffic that way. So we can certainly create a block list from here, and we can give a list of placements or content where we would not like to run our ads. In addition to this, Facebook also gives you the option to exclude certain content type. Like for example, we can exclude all live videos from Facebook in in-stream videos. So here you can select in this particular manner, and you can exclude certain particular types of live videos if you don't want to show your ads on them. So these are going to be all the options which you will get under the placements tab, where you can apply this, customize it as per your requirement, and then we can control the kind of content or the inventory on which we are showing our Facebook ads. I hope this makes sense, and now you understand how to use this particular section of the campaign creation. Thank you so much, guys, for listening into this session today, and I will see you in the next video.